Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to continue working on part 10 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we were able to finish off the windows. Now let's go to level 2, and from level 2, we're going to add our roof. So go to our architecture and then click on roof. And what we want to do is you need to edit this type, duplicate this roof, and put in roof number 1, and then edit, and the thickness, let's put it at 200. And then here for the materials, we could add in gypsum wall board. And then actually let's change this thickness to 100, so that's fine. Press OK and then OK. And then now we need to set this to level 3, and then define slope should be unchecked, and then we need to base offset this around negative 300. So we're gonna add it like that. And then after that, let's click on pick line and then select the inside of this. So all the way to the perimeter. And then now we just need to clean up and make sure that we have everything. And then click finish. And then if we see it in 3D, it will look like this. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on all of this wall. It's still going to be a flat wall, but we're gonna show the parapet. So here I'm selecting everything so that we could pull it down. So now I selected everything. I'm gonna click attach top base under modify and then select the roof, and then after that it will disappear. If we now check, it will look like this. And it looks proper for me. And then we just need to clean out the void here, or the split element here, so that it will show white as well. But that's something that we could do later on. So let's put this back right there. So this looks nice. We could add in our design later. So what I want to do now is to add in our, we're gonna prepare our sheets, but before that we need to add in our room tags. So here I'm selecting room, and from here we're going to select all the rooms. But before that, we should do a room separator, because as you know, we have some areas like the dining area. The kitchen is different as well. So we could just put it like that. And then this is different as well. We can have this as the foyer, and then there. So once you separate it, you'll be able to add in tags from that space only. Here as well. Here's the kitchen. We can put pantry here, powder room, and then foyer. After that, we could move this one right here so that it's visible. Living area. Dining area. Kitchen. Here is the pantry. Powder room. And we have foyer. And then we could actually make this as stairs, but we could just leave it like that. I could room separate this, so for the garage or the carport. And then let's go to level 2, and then let's add in the room tags. So we have the masters, we have the ensuite, bathroom, laundry. This will be our walk-in closet, w.i.c. Bedroom 1 and bedroom 2. Corridor. And we're good with this tagging. Another thing is we need to create the landscape. So I'm gonna click on wall and then change, get the interior wall and then edit and then duplicate this. This will be border wall. And then let's change this to a different finish. Let's do concrete. And then I'm just gonna create something like this. So the issue with this is we need to put it on level 1. Select everything with the tag and then up to level 1 to level 2, but let's minus 1500. So it will be on this side like that, and then we can just delete this. We can still select everything because everything is connecting, connected like that. So you just need to tap in your tab and you can have it like that. So I'm gonna undo this and then we could just split this and then take it off later on. I'm gonna go back to level 1 and then we're gonna add in a floor for that. So now we're gonna click on floor and then let's edit this type, duplicate floor number 3 and then edit. Let's change so something concrete. So we already used this, so let's use lightweight. And then what I want is I want concrete all around except at the back. So we need is to go to the perimeter again by using pick line. So something like that. And then pick line here. And then let's just connect it like that. Okay, so once you're done, click finish and we have concrete there. And then let's add in another floor for the grass. Duplicate that and then edit and then type in grass. Pull this up, apply and then OK. And then OK again. And then we could just use this to finish off fast. And then we could add into the road here and then the surroundings. So for the surroundings, I wanted grass as well. So I'm just gonna click this and then add the surrounding. So to make it easier for me, once I do it in Twinmotion, I'm gonna edit this, edit the boundary, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna extend this. So the way I'm gonna extend is I'm gonna delete this, delete this. I'm going to pick the lines here from the inside of the wall. I'm gonna use this so that it's easier for me. And then click finish. So at least everything will be covered. So similar to that. I'm gonna extend this one so that it will cover the rest here. And then just one last floor. Edit type, duplicate for the street. Let's do another concrete. And then let's do the precast concrete. And then here we're just gonna add a street like that. If you want to use align, and then click finish. So now everything is covered like that. And then the way I'm gonna see it is, let's add in a camera, and I'm gonna point it from this spot or in the middle. The middle is, I think, the best because of the design that we're planning to do. It will look like that. Let's extend this. So at the moment it doesn't look nice, but give it some time. So I'm just gonna change this, the shadow, cast in, the background, gradient. That's okay like that. Doesn't look complete yet, but we're going there. So let's stop here for now and continue on the next video. Thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.